Video, I want to continue talking about what it takes to create a successful campaign up to the level of six figures and how you can apply these tactics to your Taboola Adsense businesses to create these type of results. In the other video, I spoke about evergreen campaigns, I spoke about profitable targeting and so on. Now I'm going to go into more details on exactly what that looks like. So for example, if you think about the level of six figures from your Taboola AdSense business, you have to drive enough clicks and traffic to hit that amount. So it becomes numbers as well. So for example, just say every 100 people you send is worth, £10 or $10. So obviously that means if you send, 1,000 people, it's worth £100, and so on and so on and so on. So now you know how much traffic you need to drive per day to hit six figures. So then you work backwards. You say, if I drive X amount of clicks and X amount of traffic, this is how much I'm going to make. So now you look at your campaigns and you look at your CPC bids and you say, am I driving enough traffic to hit those objectives? So in some situations, you might have to increase the budget. So you might have to increase the budget from $5 to $50. And then times that by 10 campaigns, and now you're spending 500 a day, and just say you're sending 5,000 clicks a day, but that means you're getting back 1,000 profit. So now you've easily and effortlessly hit six figures, basically, because obviously you're spending 500 a day and you're making 1,000 a day. Now, obviously at that level of success, you obviously have to have the cash flow and spend more. But if you have the cash flow, why not? And obviously it's only 30 days of cash flow that you need, and you're getting a return on your investment, and then you can just reinvest the same money that you made and take the profit, and obviously outside of tax, do what you want with it. So it's the same principle that you have to apply constantly and daily to your businesses. So once you know the numbers and you're able to execute on those numbers, you can then apply this process to other areas of your business. So the same thing when it comes to the funnel. The funnel has the same process. So you might be making a revenue per user of 5 cents. So now what you do is you change certain variables on the page, like the ad units or the offers, to different positions, and you might maximize or increase the revenue per user from 5 to 10 cents. Now that same campaign that's spending 500 a day, for example, is now making 2,000 a day or even less. So just say you're spending 20 a day. That same campaign that was at 40 is now at $80 a day. So imagine spending $20 and making $80 a day. That's 2,600 profit back each month. So that's another part of the business you can focus on in terms of the numbers, which is the funnel. So you have the traffic you send, how many users you're sending per day, and focusing on that number, and your CPC bids. And another obviously advanced tactic is, because there's competition on these networks, the higher you bid, the more traffic you get. So the higher your revenue per user, or the higher the amount of money you get per user is, the more you can bid. So obviously if you've doubled it from 5 to 10 cents, and just say you was bidding 1 cent, now you can increase the bid to 3-4 cents and you still make around the same amount of profit, but you might get a lot more volume. These are the principles and strategies you can apply now to your Taboola AdSense businesses to be successful. So again, for those of you who are interested in a one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the link below, and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola AdSense campaigns. So now that's the process that I go through daily, or that you will go through daily with your Taboola AdSense businesses to create results. Now, even if you do the 6 figures over a period of time, it makes no difference, because imagine making 6 figures from your own business. Do you understand? If it's over 2 years, passive income, you're not going to complain. That's something that's coming in every single month on autopilot, while you could be traveling or while you could be doing other stuff with your time. You could even quit your job once you get up to a certain level, and that's what I know a lot of your outcomes are, and a lot of your desires to create are. Imagine being able to quit your job, or imagine being able to travel. Just jumping on a plane and going to Dubai, or jumping on a plane and going to a place that you enjoy with yourself or with your family or your friends. This is the results of it. But firstly, you have to master. And obviously the easiest way to master something is to use leverage, which is to find someone who knows what works, invest in it, follow the training, then take that training and apply your own ideas to it to make it even better, and follow it to create success. So again, for those of you who are interested in a one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the Facebook link below, and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful campaigns. As most of you know by now, I also offer Done For You. So for those of you interested in Done For You, where we do the full process from the optimization, the campaigns, the funnels, every part of the process to create successful to build a passive income campaigns, just reach out to me via the Facebook link below. So in summary, when you're driving this amount of traffic to your business and you want to aim for this level of results, you have to focus on the numbers. And to keep it simple, you want to drive more clicks and you want to make more money per user. Those are your two numbers that you focus on daily and you drive them to the max. And obviously by doing that, you'll create results like this. Again, for those of you interested in one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the link below and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola AdSense campaigns. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.